Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Nexo wallet review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Is the Nexo wallet safe? Let's explore my usage experience. The Nexo wallet is a reputable platform designed for individuals looking to securely store, manage, and grow their cryptocurrency portfolios. It's integrated within the larger Nexo ecosystem, providing access to crypto lending, interest-bearing accounts, and readily available credit lines. This wallet is an excellent choice for users who want a secure and multifaceted solution for both holding and generating returns from their crypto holdings. A core strength of the Nexo wallet is its seamless connection with the Nexo platform. This integration grants users access to high-yield interest accounts, featuring daily payouts on deposited cryptocurrencies. Nexo supports a diverse range of crypto assets, encompassing Bitcoin, Ethereum, various stablecoins, and many more. The wallet's interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for newcomers to the crypto space, while simultaneously offering advanced features like instant credit lines secured by your crypto assets for experienced crypto enthusiasts. When it comes to security, the Nexo wallet truly shines. It boasts top-tier security measures, including military-grade encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and biometric security options for mobile users. Furthermore, Nexo partners with established custodians such as BitGo and Ledger Vault, ensuring that user funds are held in secure, insured cold storage. Adding to this, Nexo provides a substantial $775 million in insurance coverage for digital assets, offering users significant peace of mind. For those aiming to expand their crypto holdings, the wallet's Earn feature enables users to generate competitive interest rates on their assets. These rates can reach up to 12% APY, depending on the specific asset and the user's loyalty tier. Interest is compounded daily, and users can withdraw their funds at any time, providing maximum flexibility. The Nexo Wallet app is available on both iOS and Android platforms, and its desktop version offers complete synchronization, simplifying portfolio management across multiple devices. Whether your goal is passive income generation or simply finding a secure and insured wallet, the Nexo wallet offers a comprehensive solution. To delve deeper into its features and get started, be sure to check out the links provided in the description.